'Twas 10 days till Christmas, and some guy was worried. Must find a garage in a definite hurry. I need the right cases with tools just so many to entertain the YouTube with gadgets aplenty. Under the workbench there was such a pile. Take one out each day to make everyone smile. Some guy exclaimed as he looked what's in sight. Merry Casemass to all, let me pick one just right. On the third day of Casemass, my workbench gave to me a power probe. So what this is an electrical test device for automotive use. And it has the main probe here as well as some extensions. It has a cigarette light adapter to plug it in, so it actually gets power from the vehicle either through the cigarette light adapter or through clamp terminals that go on the battery itself. And it comes with a probe that goes in the top here. And so what you can do with this is check if there's power to something. So checking for positive or negative voltage. So check for both ground and actually the positive side of the battery, as well as you can apply power with this, both a ground and power to the device that you're trying to test. So this is really good when you're trying to troubleshoot electrical problems in a vehicle where you want to test to see, let's say if there's a broken wire in the harness, you can use the probe here to actually apply power to that device and see if it works, and also check to see if there's power there. So I've gone and hooked power up to this, and you can see now it's on. It's got a couple lights, and when you apply voltage or apply the negative, makes some noises and things like that. You can see currently the battery voltage is 11.8, a little low. That's how you're actually able to apply stuff to it. It has a ability to turn on and off beeps and a couple other features as well. But really handy tool for troubleshooting electrical issues in vehicles. So here we are under the hood, and if I touch the positive terminal, it gives me a reading there and continuity to it. And then if I touch the negative terminal here, again, gives me continuity and a reading to it as well. And so for the third day of Casemass, that was a power probe. One case done and another day closer. Become a subscriber, don't miss another. Merry Casemass to all, and we'll see you tomorrow.